what's caught on camera as I say steep iron Seymour.
So what we're doing is we're on the train to Edinburgh again.
They're actually not bad earphones. I'm considering getting them.
What are they?
Anchor.
Indeed, and I'll have a day off as well.
10 minutes charge gives you. What do you mean you have a day off?
No, I went, oh okay, I was half a day off, then I went, alright, I'll have a day off.
Jesus, I need a day off tomorrow, I'm not going to get it. Yeah, straight.
Yeah.
There's no 10 minutes of charge equals 2 hours playtime.
No, I did not.
That's fucking mad.
That's absolute crazy, boy. So yes, we're on the train. We're going to Edinburgh. We're gonna have a nice day, actually.
Yes, we are.
We've had a bumpy start on the track, but that's cleared and done now.
Indeed.
We're near clouds, obviously. I'm thinking of things to do.
in the sky.
Hopefully, we're gonna explore a bit of Edinburgh today.
Yeah.
Because it's Tarkan's birthday, so we're gonna make it a little bit special for him.
Gonna fatten him up.
We need to fatten him up. We need to make him explore Edinburgh Castle.
Well, that's a bit far.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. It's right across the bridge, and all the way up the Royal Mile.
Yeah, it's right across. Yeah, the Royal Mile. It's only a mile. We're gonna take.
I love how McDonald's in
Right,
Edinburgh
plus.
give you an option of taking napkins. They're good napkins.
What do you mean they give you an
My
option?
God, you sound so. You're like, no, I'm not even joking. Right, you sound.
I like the fact that Edinburgh,
I didn't say
McDonald's,
Edinburgh.
I know,
No,
offers napkins.
No, it's just the way he said it. It's like he was way to burst out crying.
Yeah.
Mine, it's because my nose sounds really.
They're a good McDonald's.
I don't know.
No one in Perth doesn't do that.
Yeah, because I'm fucking
My
useless.
God, the focus on your face right now.
Have a look at his wispy beard
Nappy fools.
and his little goatee thing underneath it.
That goatee's turning into something else. I think it's like grown on this side and not this side.
I can see that.
I can see your little beard.
God, it's bad, Seymour.
The focus, the autofocus on this camera is mental.
Is it good?
Mm. I think it's just because I've just cleaned it.
Probably.
So we'll see you guys when we're at
Edinburgh Waverley.
Edinburgh Rave.
We'll see you along the way.
We'll see you along the way
My
at
stomach.
Edinburgh. And then there's that train there. So we are technically on the move again. I've been sitting here listening to shit all day. Honestly, literally. Honestly. Literally. So that's that train gone now.
Code
And
indeed.
we're not even in Edinburgh yet.
No.
So the plan is that we're going through to Edinburgh, we're going to the Edinburgh Castle because it's Tarkan's birthday and we're making them have a good time today. So we'll see you guys when we're in Edinburgh for a proper Edinburgh vlog. I'm not a smart ass, I'm a clever ass.
Is this phone 2005? Or is my phone is if your phone was 2005,
It wouldn't work.
Well, it'd work, but it wouldn't be compatible with nowadays. Like
Yeah.
expectations.
That's a gorgeous view.
I know.
Well, that's where they park the ships. Before they leave, I reckon what that's for.
It must be like an oil rig or something.
Has it got 4 stats bits on it on the bottom?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, so it's an oil rig then. One of my family members works on a oil rig
Fair enough. It's good money.
in the Dundee.
It's really good money, I think.
Goes across the world and everything.
I bet.
Yeah, that's tugboats. They should have tires on the front because they're when they push the boat.
Jesus, look at that. That would be a cool place to go to. It's a big island that looks literally like an empty, abandoned thing, like no windows. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
It literally looks like a castle. Guys, if there's a
It's
way
not
over
very
there, that would be cool.
Yeah,
It's called by boat.
Huh?
It's called by boat.
Okay, let's get a boat there.
No.
We're currently losing the race. That's a bulky train.
Yep.
Even my genius scares me.
What genius?
My genius.
What genius?
My genius. You okay, Tarka? Oh, that's amazing. Genius again.
Oh, the fuck is he doing?
Start recording. What are you doing to me?
Easy, boy.
What did you do to my ear? For anything, you actually made it look better.